a seat mount kit for the BMW F and G series and for E92 and E90. There is an option of this kit especially for the Recaro pole position seat. But this kit here is made for the most bucket seats available on the market due to the long holes in our side brackets. The base plate is made of 2 pieces to reduce the weight after we run through a stress simulation. No counterparts or nuts are below the base plate to reduce the assembly effort, as the threads are already integrated into the base plate. The kit is not only designed but also completely manufactured in Germany. The goal was to have the lowest possible seating position without any offset in front of the steering wheel and to have a very stiff setup. The key point is safety first. This is why we run through FE simulations and analysis of every single component. The kit comes with every required mounting material, for example with this custom little plate to reduce the surface pressure of the slider. The slider is also an optional product which you can find in our shop.